everyone, this is Lilith and welcome back to another one of my videos for Altenew. Today I'll be sharing a layout I created using the beach towel stencil. So the first thing I'm going to do is take some smooth white cardstock and just use a little bit of painter's tape. This one is a non-tack painter's tape, which means it is really nice to use on paper. And then I'm just going to mask off one of the stripes. I'm doing this because I'm going to be using my finger daubers to add the color, and I just want to add one color at a time and not add any color to the other stripes. If you're just using one color, you don't have to do this, but as I'm going to be mixing my colors, I'm going to just mask each of these strips off. So once I had finished adding my stripes to the bottom, I did the same thing at the top, and now I'm going to add my little bits and bobs. So I'm going to create 3 embellishment clusters. I used the halftone hearts die set and cut out heart shapes, and then just inked around the edges with some of that crimson ink, which I also used in my stripes. 2 of the hearts I colored in with my finger dauber. Here I'm just cutting out a couple of flowers from one of the pattern papers from the Reflection Scrapbook collection. I love this pattern paper. I have used it so many times and I just love these flowers. So 3 clusters, and then all I have to do is add my title and a little bit of journaling. I'm going to be using the Crafty Friends stamp set, which you can see here, which fits the event just perfectly, because this is a photo that was taken when I was in Coventry with Lydia and Jen at our workshop. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. For any comments or any questions, just pop them in the comment section, and you can also visit the Altenew Scrapbook blog for further information on all the products used. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.